Warm welcome to Delhi Public School, Kamti Road, Nagpur. Nestled in the lap of nature, our school is a harmonious balance of education, extra and co-curricular activities, sustainable development, green projects, and many more. Allow me to walk you through our beautiful school and take a peek inside the life at DPS Kamti Road, Nagpur. Front office. You will be greeted by a rare and marvelous bonsai culprix tree and iron statues representing the Bastar culture at the entrance of the front office building, courtesy our president Mrs. Tulika Kedia, who is a connoisseur of art. These channels that you can see below are water harvesting channels form a network around the school and finally to the canal to recharge outside school premises. The front office building houses the tuck shop, which has clothes and uniform for emergency purpose. Transport and accounts office are situated in the front office building for parents and guardians in case of inquiry or assistance. Students' entry is strictly prohibited in this area during school hours. Very few schools have this parents' waiting area in their campus where they can get a number of things under the same roof. Through these beautifully manicured gardens is the way to the admin office that houses the chambers for the president, Mrs. Tulika Kedia, director, Mrs. Savita Jaiswal, Vice Chairman Mr. Ajay Mansukhani and the Principal. These gardens are conceptualized by our President Mrs. Tulika Kedia. She is an ardent naturalist, environmentalist, and staunchly advocates the role of nature and art in formal education. We boast to have a floral that has historic and mythological relevance like the Kadam tree, Parijat, and Saptarishi, and of course the Kalpraksh seen earlier at the front office entrance. The admin office walls are decorated with photographs of stalwarts like Shankar Mahadevan, Sri Ravi Katpalia sir, who have graced the school with their valuable presence in the past.
The underlying principles of our philosophy of education is experiential learning. The botanical garden is an epitome of the same. The botanical garden has seasonal and medicinal plants like tulsi, aloe vera, caraway seeds, cotton, and sugarcane. Vegetables like ladyfinger, spinach, etc., and numerous rare species of flowering plants and trees. In our school, we make use of methods such as experiential learning, art integration, and hands on learning to assist the lecture methods. For example, in science, concepts such as vermicompost, water harvesting, waste management, sustainability can be seen and experienced as all of this is practiced in our school itself.
The school has installed an excellent system of evacuation in case of emergencies. We have installed fire hydrants, extinguishers, fire alarms, and evacuation plans in all blocks of the school. Students are well versed with mock evacuation drills that are conducted twice a year. The entire school is evacuated within 3 minutes of time.
Village pottery. In another excellent example of experiential learning, we see over here a replica of a village pottery barn. The hut has been decorated with Warli painting. The aim is to glorify the artisans and lost indigenous art forms. Also has a relevance to the topics in social studies like rural life. On your right, you can see the water treatment plant where the used water is collected. The water is then used in the gardens and lawns, hence teaching the valuable lesson of recycling and reuse. A2. Each of the 5 blocks in the school has a similar design, ground plus 2 floors. Each floor has 2 washrooms, 2 water stations, and 1 staff room to monitor the students on each floor. Every block has a ramp along with a staircase to promote inclusive education. The ramps are also used in case of any injury. Wheelchairs are also available.
The most novel and innovative feature of the school is the wall speak. The walls, pillars, and columns in the corridors are used as learning aids. Posters on etiquettes and manners, grammar tidbits, quizzes, general knowledge, etc., are put upon walls. Stairs are painted with mathematical and analytical calculations, days of the week, months of the year, seasons, etc. The floors and doors of the classrooms are used as compass. Our president, Mrs. Tulika Kedia patronizes indigenous art forms like Warli, Gond, Madhubani, etc., and hence the walls of the corridors are painted with murals by the school students under the able guidance of our art teachers and sometimes the artists themselves.
For the lower classes, we have a composite lab along with SST lab and math lab. We also have two senior computer labs and one junior computer lab. On the top floor, we have three full-fledged laboratories: biology, physics, and chemistry. We also have a commerce lab. An SST lab is coming up since we will be starting with humanities stream in the next session. We have a projector microscope in our science lab that helps the students conceptualize the biology topics better. Murals in the labs depict scientific concepts for better understanding.
To strengthen the co-curricular aspect of the curriculum, the school has tied up with the Shankar Mahadevan Academy. Tutors from the academy teach music to the kids who opt for the program. The students are flown to Bangalore to display their talent at an annual concert by SMA at the end of every session.
Playfields. Along with the hockey, cricket, kho-kho, football and synthetic basketball court and field, to the left side of the field is the indoor swimming pool and the skating rink on the top of the pool. Multipurpose hall. Indoor sports, school assemblies and other school functions are conducted in the spacious and well-ventilated multipurpose hall.
Over here, we have our counselors' room. We have full-time in-house counselors and special educators to help students deal with stress and other issues, as well as to identify learning problems and guide parents accordingly.
We have a Teachers Resource Center, which is a treasure house for teachers. Reference books and teachers' materials are stacked in this room to assist the teachers in micro and macro planning lessons. In-house demo and mock classes are also conducted here for professional development.
A tuck and emergency shop is situated at the heart of the school here. Along its side is the cafeteria that caters healthy food for the students. There are two short breaks which are monitored by the teachers at all times. The students form queues outside the cafeteria in a disciplined manner.
We have a senior as well as a junior library that houses more than 15,000 books.
Our library meets the demands of the present time. It is well equipped with reference books for every subject and grade. The books of all the sought after authors are made available in our libraries. In fact, the junior and the senior libraries are very close to the heart of our president, Mrs. Tulika Kedia, who keeps updating the libraries with the latest and the most sought after books. The activity room is used for in-house training sessions, workshops and seminars, and also for conducting children's activities. Music and dance rooms. The music and dance department are spacious and well fitted and equipped with the latest paraphernalia. The curriculum includes vocal singing, synthesizers, drums and tabla, Kathak, Bharatnatyam, Zumba and freestyle. This is the surveillance cell of the school. Each and every nook of the school is constantly monitored using CCTV cameras. 2 people are designated specially for this job.
From here, we can see the jungle gym area for the tiny tots to play to their heart's content.
Here we have our infirmary equipped with beds, first aid, oxygen cylinder, and a fully trained nurse. We also have a tie-up with the Asha Hospital and Samarpan Hospital with ambulance facility in case of emergencies.
The kindergarten section of the school is a lively and colorful space filled with loads of positive energy. We have a playway corner and each room has a cozy little space where our little ones can nap whenever they feel like. As we move towards the lawn area, we can see saplings, plants, and trees planted by dignitaries and important people, as is the tradition at DPS County Road since its inception. In fact, it is a custom that our school to celebrate the birthdays of students and teachers by planting a sapling. With this, we come to the end of our beautiful tour of our humble education village called Delhi Public School, Kamptee Road, Nagpur.